Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Vickie and I'm so glad you stopped by today. Pardon the way that I look. I don't have any makeup on. I just took a shower and put my hair up on my head. I've been helping my sister today prepare some food for her daughter-in-law, my niece's baby shower tomorrow. I made some really cute charcuterie cups, so I'll throw a picture in here of it. I think you'll like that. And I really needed to do a big grocery pickup or a grocery haul for Grammy school. I've had them a few days, but school starts back this week full time. So with the flood, our pushback date was till September 21st. But their dad and mom are both teachers for Grammy school, so I keep my two granddaughters. And I try to have everything that they need because they're here from like 7 o'clock, 7:30 to around 5:30, I would say. So those are long days, and I want to make sure that I have everything that they like to eat, all their favorite foods. So let me turn the camera around and let me show you. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I share a lot of cooking recipes and videos here, grocery hauls. I do a little bit of home decorating and DIYs. So I hope that you like that type of thing. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And like I said, I would love to have you here. I really appreciate all of you stopping by. And I know a lot of you like my grocery hauls. This was a grocery pickup. I had ordered, I think it was $350, and I ended up getting $270. So they were out of some things. They subbed some things, which I'm not going to complain, but I just had my injection in my knee the last 3 weeks, so I really didn't feel like walking around the stores and picking all that out. So I done a Walmart pickup and a Food City pickup. So I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, I tried to put all the stuff for the babies right here in the front. We've got a loaf of bread. You always need bread. I try to do things simple for breakfast. My husband, some mornings, he will let me sleep a little bit while he spends that time with the babies before he goes into the office. So that gives me a little bit of extra time, 30 minutes or so, and that's really appreciated. So I got some variety cereal. I typically don't fix them cereal for breakfast, if ever, sometimes a snack, but I did want to have it on hand. These are my favorite caramel apples, and I've seen these online. I was like, heck yeah, I'm getting me some of those. Let me know if you all love those, if they're where you're at now. I love them. My daughters do too. But I got some string cheese. One of them is 4.5 and the other's just about 18 months. So the one that's 4.5, she can eat anything, but really the 18-month-old can too because she's got a mouthful of teeth. But she really likes string cheese. I got some bagel bites because I like to do things that are good, hot, but also that are, healthy-ish, that can be done quick. So I got like the taquitos, bagel bites. I got some packs of the microwave bacon. They both love bacon. They really enjoy the instant fruit and cream oatmeal. So I got a variety pack of that. And they will eat that. The baby eats that great every morning, just about. She loves it. She likes eggs and toast and bacon too. And then I got some blueberry muffin mix. Now, I'm going to do another video for you all one day. I didn't get my one item in that I needed for it, but I'll be filming a video here soon that'll show you some breakfast hacks and snack hacks for your school lunches. So I got some blueberry muffins. I got some raisins. Amelia loves raisins. She said, Grammy, if you see any chocolate raisins, I want those, but I got the yogurt covered, and I think she'll like those. She loves pudding cups. So I got some chocolate and some vanilla. I got some strawberry Pop-Tarts. And like I said, this is mostly snack stuff, not necessarily breakfast. And then I got some applesauce cups. I ordered one of those, and you'll look over here, they sent me 4. I have no idea why. This is the first year that I've been getting the Capricin for Amelia, and she's a huge milk drinker, and she did not drink a lot of juice when she was a baby. Her parents just didn't give her a lot of juice. My son said there's no nutritional value in it, so she is starting now to drink Capricin, so she really likes when she gets those. She loves chips, so I got a little variety pack of the chips. They also really enjoy yogurt with fruit. I ordered 3 with strawberry and banana. I thought strawberry and banana, but this is both. But that's okay because they'll like that. I got some potatoes. I got some red seedless grapes. Some apples. And I just now noticed that's not the apples I ordered at all. Well, it's okay. It'll be what it is. It says they're golden delicious, but they don't look like it, do they? I don't know. Got some bananas for the babies. They love bananas and apples. Well, Amelia likes apples. She eats those a lot, and the baby likes bananas and Amelia. Got some of these beef sticks. She likes little things like charcuterie type stuff like cheese and crackers and beef sticks. So I got some of those for her. A few Lunchables. She doesn't really care for the Lunchables that much. But if I am doing something with the baby, she will eat the nacho one pretty good. And she will eat the cheese and crackers out of these. And sometimes her papa takes them for lunch. So that's okay. I did get a pack of Eggos and a pack of the pancakes. Now, I've never bought the pancakes before, so I don't know how those will be, but I just want to have something extra on hand that would be quick and easy if their papa was serving on breakfast that morning. Here's all this applesauce I got, so I'm going to give some of that to my mommy and daddy. My mom eats applesauce about every day. All right, I love the Rao's or Rouse pasta sauce. I don't know if you all have that where you live, but I love it. Anything from Rao's. I call it Rao's. This is the roasted garlic, marinara, pizza sauce, and that's the best pizza sauce I've ever eaten. Tomato basil, and they also have a tomato basil soup that's amazing. And then vodka sauce. And I went ahead and bought those because I seen on something that there was going to be a shortage of things with tomato sauce, and pasta sauces was one of them. So I went ahead and picked all of those up while they had them. I did get these. I'm not a person to eat frozen prepared food, but my husband likes it. So I picked up a couple of meat. I actually picked up one of these. I got 2. Meat lasagna from Rao's and a chicken parm from Rao's. So that'll be good. I got a box of fruit and yogurt Special K, which I like that. I eat a lot of times for a snack at night cereal. I got some pita chips, and I like things like a charcuterie too, so that's why I got those. And also some Cheez-Its. The babies like those as well as me. I did pick up some artichoke and spinach dip. I don't know how good that is, but I was craving it, so I thought I'd try it. I got some Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to fix that one night for dinner with my smoked kielbasa and fried potatoes and cabbage. I got Brussels, kielbasa, potatoes, and I like to fry those together and eat it with cornbread, make cornbread to go with it. Let me know if you've ever eaten it like that. It's really good. I also ordered 1 pack of Kraft Singles. They gave me 2. I ordered some stuff to make salads. I ordered one of these and got 2. That's okay, though. It'll probably be eaten. That's the artisan romaine. I like romaine lettuce. Oh, man, I didn't get my Roma tomatoes. I just realized that. Phooey. Real bacon bits. Got that for salads. Some croutons. Now, Amelia likes just eating those as a snack by themselves. I did get some of this Heavenly Honey Mustard. Chef G.W. Clisso, he is a local person that makes homemade dressings, and they're the best that I've ever eaten. My favorite is the Mountain Ranch. They were out of it, so I went ahead and got the honey mustard, and I like to use these on chicken tenders. So that's what I got that for. I did get some Genoa salami and some Havarti cheese. You know how I like that. I got some more of this Boursin garlic and herb cheese spread, and I love that kind of stuff. Got some shredded parm. I will be making some pasta with one of those sauces or maybe several of them. I got some Kalamata olives. I'm going to be making a Caesar salad one night because my mom likes that. And I got some macaroni and cheese because everybody likes macaroni and cheese. And I think that is it. And this came to $270. Now, I originally had ordered, like I said, 350, but I'm seeing stuff that was left out and then stuff that gave me multiples that I didn't even order. So I don't know what happened there, but it's okay. It'll be eaten by someone. But I'm going to insert some pictures at the end of some fall foliage and flowers that they've got at their greenery department at the local Food City. And they are absolutely beautiful. And they actually had some really good prices on them. So check out your local grocers and see if they've got any of their fall flowers and things out. And really pretty stuff. I didn't buy any, but it was really pretty. I thought I'd share it with you all. So that's my grocery haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all have had a wonderful weekend. It's been a busy weekend for us, as always. It seems like it's always busy, though. There's always something that needs to be done. You all remember my mother in prayer next Tuesday. She has a doctor's appointment, an important appointment coming up. And God bless you all, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.